Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Adobe Creative Cloud for freelance designers. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, visit the Adobe Creative Cloud website. Sign in to your Adobe account, or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. Once logged in, locate the Creative Cloud icon and click on it to start the installation. Follow the on-screen prompts to download the Creative Cloud desktop app. Open the downloaded file to initiate the installation process. Once installed, launch the Creative Cloud app from your Applications folder. In the app, you'll see a variety of Adobe software available for your design needs. Select the applications you want to install by clicking Install next to each one. Be patient as the applications download and install on your computer. After installation, you may open each application directly from the Creative Cloud app. For optimal performance, make sure your applications are updated to the latest versions. Next, set up your workspace by opening your preferred Adobe application. Navigate to the window menu to customize panels for your workflow. Consider creating a new project or opening an existing one to familiarize yourself with the tools. Explore the Preferences menu to adjust settings to your liking, such as keyboard shortcuts and interface color. If you plan to collaborate or share files, familiarize yourself with Adobe Cloud Storage. You can upload your assets to the cloud by dragging and dropping them into your Creative Cloud folder. Adjust your sync settings to ensure your files are automatically backed up. Take time to explore Adobe fonts to enhance your design projects with a wide selection of typefaces. Utilize Adobe Stock if you need high-quality images and templates for your designs. Lastly, ensure your system meets the requirements for optimal performance of the Adobe applications. With everything configured, you are now ready to start your design projects efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.